माँ चुदा लो, आई डोंट फकिंग केयर। देख मादर पे मेरे को नहीं बात करनी तेरे से अपने मेंटल हेल्थ की, और ना मैं तेरे को मैं ओपन हूँ, तू मेरे से आके वेंट करे तो फकिंग सॉरी फॉर दैट। तू लड़का हो या लड़की हो, अनलेस यू आर लाइक वेरी हॉट फाइन।
हाँ जी ये very
No
true.
simping,
And-
no
and-
simping boys.
and पता है, इससे problem
I
क्या होती है?
think so.
जैसे-
People are posting it everywhere.
हाँ,
I fucking had to leave. I left social media. But last, that guy died. Who was it? Look, we don't even remember the name. Irfan Khan died. Irfan Khan died. Okay, let's say he was important to me. I watched the news. I'm sad for some time. He's not my family member. I do not personally know him. I feel bad for a few minutes. I move on. Let's say even an hour, even a day. I move on. Right? I move on. I watch a next movie, the next shit, the next content I consume, the next whatever I do, right? But when this shit happens, that everyone is sharing it, everyone is sharing their own grief. So internet is like a large unintentional family, right? We are sharing a stupid little pain that everyone just gave 5 minutes to. But since you're sitting right there, you're taking everyone's 5 minutes, and now your day is ruined, now your week is ruined, because everyone was mourning and you had to take a little bit of pieces from their mourning, right? So that's why it sucks. I fucking hate it. So I left social media for like a week. Bye. Talk about it all you want. When that shit is over, when March उड़ा लियो तुम लोगों ने अपने mental health की, I'm coming back. See, the whole mental health thing is actually what's the whole I can be positive and be nice and take care of your mental health. This spam in itself is fucking with my mental health.
True. Because people with actual mental health problems, they can't come up. And
I don't fucking care if I'm depressed. I don't fucking care about your stories. Of course, if it's me, unless you're hot. Sorry.
This point people don't understand कि the people who are actually going through problems, वो सारी स्टोरी देख के अब वो और भी नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज अगर वो अभी नहीं करेंगे और सपोज कल की सुसाइड होगी तो पीपल के पास ये कि मैं दे हैव द मॉरल हाई ग्राउंड कि मैं तो स्टोरी डाली थी, उसने बात नहीं की.
That's literally the moral high ground is what everyone runs for.
And they're searching for the moral high ground. अब जैसे मतलब स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं था, मतलब मैंने सोचा नहीं था, बट अभी ऐसे बात कर ही रहे हैं जैसे क्या नाम है वो जो प्रॉब्लम हुआ दिव्यांगना त्रिवेदी वाला बात, त्रिपाठी.
So I talked to her, Divyanga Trivedi. I not directly, through a friend. We actually asked her to come to us for a podcast, because I think the right way to do a debate is face to face, one to one.
Exactly.
Right. This fucking IGTV shit. Oh my god. I don't think boys should be allowed to speak. Not for more than 1 minute. Not on feminism. Sorry. Boys shouldn't be allowed to speak on feminism, especially on their IGTV. And girls can speak for as long as they want, because no one's listening. So what happened with Divyanga Trivedi? Whenever we share an opinion, all right? When we share an opinion, we don't change someone's mind. No, we just make someone who already agrees with us more polarized towards their own opinion. The opinion, we only resonate with people that we already agree to. I will never go to internet and watch Bengalan Bong's opinion and I will think like, fuck, this titty bag is right. She's right. I'm never going to say it. Only thing I'm going to say it is, okay, bisexual, and I'll swipe next time. That's what I'm going to do.
Because you cannot change their opinion, neither can they change their opinion. So why not agree to disagree and leave it there?
Yes, and if you really
भी डालनी है तो मैं वहाँ पे भी चाहिए कि वो डालना बंद कर दे.
Moral high ground, the race for moral high ground. But again, if you really want to, like let's say Divyanga Trivedi gained a face value out of her shit, because of course simp, right? So Divyanga Trivedi gained a face value. We talked to her and she was like, "नहीं मेरे को CLAT का paper देना है." So the girl literally said, "कि make an IGTV and I'll respond to it." Oh my god, how will you respond to it? You'll make another story, which is literally what I don't want. Like damn. So
you make an IGTV and respond.
So bitch ass fucking. So we left it at that point. So I think Divyanga Trivedi, I think she's a kid. She literally doesn't know. Exactly. Even if we talk about the opinions, she doesn't know any better. She likes to box and shit. Okay. everything is
Good.
fine. She has a personality, okay, but when it comes to giving your opinion, she doesn't know any better, man. Damn.
वो बच्ची है and जैसे आपने बोला
Literally.
सर men shouldn't be allowed to talk
No.
about feminism for women.
Boys.
It is perfectly
Fuck boys.
fine. कसम से मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा. मैंने उस पढ़ा and लोगों को वही ना because they want कि लोगों को लगे अरे कितना caring है इसको feminism के issues के बारे में पता है ये
Okay,
हमारे बारे में सोच रहा है.
maybe I wouldn't say. Okay, your point is valid, yes, but I think boys shouldn't be allowed to say, not because of that,
Mhm.
but because of just in general. I don't think they need a minute to talk about women. I don't think they
Because it
deserve
does
it.
not concern them.
Yes.
हाँ यही सच आई वाज कमिंग टू दैट मैं ये बोल रहा था कि वो डालते हैं
Yeah.
रील्स है लेकिन they don't understand कि it does not concern them and by doing such things they're only polluting this river that is flowing कि मतलब दिव्यांगना versus the world उसको क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है उसके पास अटेंशन आ रहा है इतना सारा भर के उसके सिम भर रखे हैं और
Yep.
उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है आप
Yep.
7 स्टोरीज निकालो वो आगे से एक स्टोरी पे आपका एक का रिप्लाई कर देगी एंड देन आप पूरे दिन आप फिर करोगे यार मैं दिव्यांगना त्रिवेदी ने रिप्लाई किया और फिर आप अपने सारे दोस्तों को बताओगे
And honestly, मेरा personal opinion, when I first, okay, let me ask you one thing. Where did you first see the Divyanga Trivedi post? On a girl story, on a boy story,
सर, मैं
or
उस time
like
पे मैं
on
उस
some
टाइम
girl
इंस्टाग्राम
story?
से ऑफलाइन था मेरे को किसी
Okay.
ने फ़ोन करके बताया कि देख भाई ये क्या चल रहा है तो मेरे को फिर किसी ने लिंक भेजा एक लॉन्डिया की स्टोरी पे
Yes, exactly. So
लॉन्डिया की
you saw
story
it on a
पे
girl story, didn't you?
एग्जैक्टली
And all the responses are on the girl stories. It's a girl topic. They are bitch crying. Let them. For the first time, I saw women independently fighting. No boys like that whole amity issue and every other issue where boys and girls, like the boys locker room thing, everyone was jumping in like a little bitch on a fucking train. Everyone was jumping like it's the last Sonu Sood bus for their house. Fuck this, fuck this. For the first time, I'm watching all the girls united for a little stupid topic. Of course. So for the first time, I'm watching that, and then fucking boys come in. Like, if
तुम्हें किसने बोला
fuck yeah, लड़कों को किस that's the thing ना. Boys can like लड़के boys washroom में भी मूव सकते हैं और girls washroom में भी मूव सकते हैं. So this little habit of ours to be able to pee anywhere we want, that is exactly what's causing all the problems.
सर
Men should not be allowed to pee for more than 1 minute. Fuck this.
सर स्पेशली वुमेन्स वॉशरूम में तो जाना नहीं चाहिए ना सर वहाँ पे
Yeah, and they went.
they will sort out their issues अपने में ही they'll realize कि this is
Yes.
counterintuitive and खत्म हो जाएगा तुम
Okay,
अपने से
if I ask Divyangana Trivedi for the average watch time of her videos and her gender, the gender percentage of her audience, let's say 50% were men and 50% were women,
हाँ जी
her watch time will be around 50% because only the girls watched it.
एग्जैक्टली
The boys didn't watch it.
मैंने पहले 30 सेकंड में झड़ गए क्या कर सकते हो
Yes. And then and I bet all the boys who spoke about it, they only watched it before speaking about it.
just
And
before
then
making
they-
the video about it
That's it. That's how it works. Like
Exactly.
they
Sir,
just saw,
I
okay,
can't-
Mahila Shauchalay, let's go in. Let's just piss in and come out. Fucking, I fucking love. I hate this. Okay,
Sir,
I hate this.
उसको महिला शौचालय सर इसलिए क्योंकि सर वो शिट शो हो रखा था वहाँ पे एंड वो सेटल हो जाता यू डिड नॉट
No, I think it's fine. Women are doing a shit show. Perfect. That's what we wanted. Men do shit shows all the fucking time. That's great. All the women posting some stories. I love it. But then boys had to come in. Had to ruin my fucking experience. Fuck boys.
ट्रू सर वो सर कार्तिक है और ये वो और सब शेयर भी कर रहे हैं दे
So, yeah,
माइट हैव
so-
वैलिड पॉइंट बट उनका ओपिनियन हाउ डज इट मैटर हाउ डज इट और प्रॉब्लम है सर सब सेम चीज बोल रहे हैं एक आदमी कुछ नया नहीं बोल रहा एक आदमी कंफ्यूज
So I did a little rant. ठीक है कि I did a little rant on
देखा
it,
सर आपका स्टोरी
saying that don't listen to the acknowledged, listen to the knowledgeable, right? But I think today we only listen to the people who garner the most attention. That is true.
सर जिसके सबसे ज़्यादा व्यूज होते हैं उसी के सबसे ज़्यादा व्यूज बढ़ते रहते हैं
Yeah, right. Look at your content. Look at your content. You're literally pouring in gold on your fucking IGTV. You're pouring gold, and your views. I saw your views were around what 700, 900, right?
ज़्यादा ही हो गया
And-
2000
There was 2001 video. That's where you're going. And then I saw this other guy. I wouldn't name him because then that would lead to him getting more views. And shit show of content, shit show. But he knows how to garner attention. Great, garner attention, and you get all the views. And then suddenly his opinion becomes valid for some reason. Damn, that sucks. Alright, so I think that's how it works.
But sir, वही ना, you have to sell your ideals, you have to sell your क्या बोलते हैं morals for you. अगर आपके पास content नहीं है and you want to become, you want to have validation, then you have to sell your morals. आपको ऐसी चीज़ें करनी पड़ेंगी जिससे आपको नेगेटिव अटेंशन मिले. एंड आई थिंक अगर आपका कॉन्शियस उस टाइम पे आपको नहीं बोल रहा है रुकने के लिए, तो आई थिंक फिर आप मैं आपका कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
No, then I think that they already have what it requires. Okay, because they don't have a conscience, they don't have a filter in their head saying ki, oh fuck, this is not the right way to do it. If they don't have it, they don't have to suppress anything, which means they can go full in. Reminds me of that latest video from, okay, fuck, I won't name anyone, never mind. I think you got me. I think you did. Never
नेम
mind.
ड्रॉप नहीं कर देंगे तो अच्छा है. मैं एडिट आउट कर लेता, बट ठीक है, अच्छा है. चलिए मैं अब सर एक फाइनल वो सर, if you want to plug anything, if you want to shout anyone out, if you want to say, if you want to plug your own videos, यहाँ पे
Yeah, okay.
I'm giving your
So
time.
guys, from bottom line of everything I said, TLDR, लड़कों को 1 मिनट से ज्यादा बोलने का चांस नहीं मिलना चाहिए. So please watch my 1 hour podcast with Psych. Okay? And that being said, I would like to give a shout out to subscribe to Arpit, man. Arpit is from
Arpit bhai.
Arpit. Right now, Arpit is in my mind. Shout out to my podcast buddy and my best friend, Vaibhav Sharma on Instagram. Vaibhav Sharma, that's his name. We are going to start a podcast very soon. It is about comedy and philosophy. A little mixture. I think it's very rare. I think it's very different. And we also have a camera, so it won't be a fucking black screen. So yes, and I will invite you, and I have a lot of other guests. We will line them up once we start, actually. So yeah, shout out to that guy. No one knows him right now. He's not in the community, but he will be soon.
Okay.
And we will be making content.